This is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. This is one of the projects I've been working on here. I got going. This rancher had sold his ranch and then ended up buying it back, and in the meantime everything here on the ranch is kind of in disarray. Couldn't get this pump to go again, and it was the shutdown system on it, wouldn't let it run. And just to reiterate some of the things I've said in past, a lot of times, it seems like most of the time, it's just something simple. This problem with the shutdown system turned out to be this little fuse right here was not letting it run. But the problem, and it kind of threw me through a loop to start with, the fuse wasn't bad. It was that little case that the fuse goes in that was bad. And so I finally got the volt ohm meter out and started checking wiring, and I had no continuity through that fuse, even though the fuse looked good. So anyway, I just put a new case there and a new fuse in it, and it's running great now. So it's usually just something simple, seems like. That's been my experience most of the time. These problems are not hard to take care of. Anyway, something else that had happened over here in the canal when they were digging the canal out with a track hoe this year. They hooked the end of the culvert. The culvert goes from the canal over to here, and they smashed the end of that culvert, so we couldn't get enough water in, so we ended up letting the water out of the canal. We had to get down there and cut the end of that culvert off where it was smashed. But long story short, this thing's purring like a kitten now. We just flushed all of the lines going up to the wheel lines, and just waiting here to start it up again when he gets it hooked up to the wheel lines. Have a good day. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for further videos.